Welcome back to the 5x8 Woody. I'm going to put a roof vent fan in here. It's not a Max fan or Fantastic fan. It's another brand. I'm not sure the name. It's been in the box so long I forgot the name, but you can find them on Amazon. This was only $100. Oh, now this is butyl tape. We're gonna put butyl all the way around this. Now the rough opening where the fan sits, I've already pre-drilled the holes. And when you put this down, some of that will squeeze out. It's not a big deal. Just go back and trim it. Whoa, that's a lot. And what I do is I will go back and double up on my butyl. Butyl tape's not that expensive, and for an extra 15 cents of butyl, and it's kind of worth it. Where we're making the difference is at our joints right here. I mean, you can overlap them, that'll probably be good, but I've always done this and I never had an issue. And like I said, butyl tape is not expensive. Oops. Maybe if it's a little colder it might snap, but that's okay. This just means it'll go into the joint, fill up the space better. It's a slow video, but I really would have loved to have found a video of this the first time I did one of these, because there just wasn't, I just couldn't find a lot. Of information on it. And now it seems like everybody's building a teardrop. Well, not everybody, but you know, a lot of people are. Getting pretty popular. We used to have a 27-foot, I guess we started out with an 18-foot travel trailer, and then we got a 27-foot, and after pulling that 27-foot travel trailer to a couple of camping trips, I said, no more, I'm not doing that anymore. Alright, so let's just go on over here, and I want to do this in such a way where it overlaps the seams. So we're overlapping that one right there. And this one will overlap here. Ooh, sticking to my finger. This will be a little bit more difficult to take it out if you ever have to, but I've never had to replace one of these vent fans. They usually last forever. Let's see. Forever. Need just a little bit of piece in here because I shorted that a little bit. I did short it a little bit, not on purpose. Here's our last joint right here. Yep. The last one of these I did, I was doing this part in the wintertime, so I didn't have this problem of the butyl tape pulling off like taffy. But that's all right. This means it'll be that much more malleable to do its job. Put a little bit right in here. I'll make sure it's all even. All right, I'm gonna put y'all up on the sawhorse. Y'all, because I'm from Texas, it's y'all. I'm not shaking the camera on purpose. You know, I appreciate sawhorses and I don't like a shaky camera. Nobody does. All right, make sure you got your hinges to the front. And you've test fitted before, so you know that you're going to be getting this on there where you pre-drilled your holes. And it's already stuck. I bet it would ride like that forever. But you need the screws in there just to kind of squeeze it down a little bit. If you're using a cordless drill like this, make sure you set your clutch where it's, you don't want to crank it down too hard right away. Whoop. Look at that, like plinko. Now I'm going to set these screws, I'm going to set all of them. Torque it down only a little bit. And give it time to squeeze out. Because we do have two applications of, and there goes one of my screws. As you can see that, you see the plastic flange pull down a little bit. I did run this fan when I first got it. So it's just been sitting in a box, hadn't been moved or bumped or anything. But you want to make sure your fan works before you put it in. I'm going to put all these in. I'll find my other wayward screw here in a minute. Couldn't go on far, but I usually buy probably 150, 200 of these at a time. And like I said, if you have this close a tolerance like I do, you want to make sure that you pre-drill the hole so you don't split your wood out. Because you split the wood out, you're going to need to take it off and repair it with epoxy. You never really realize how hard you breathing. Sounds like you're exhausted when you got a lapel mic tied to your neck. All right, like I said, we'll let that set a little bit, and so as it sets with a little bit of pressure, it'll just kind of squeeze out. And then you'll tighten it down a little bit more. Just take a hand screwdriver and tighten it down. That's it. I'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Ask a question.